Vanakkam Chennai. I am thankful to RAI for providing me this opportunity to present our views on the topic multi-channel for multifold increase. Great to hear from the industry leaders so far and a lot of thoughts on a lot of emerging techniques in the retail practices. Myself, Girish Kasliwal, I am a co-founder and director at Reasoning. Our flagship product, MartJack, focuses on enabling retailers to leverage the immense scope of internet and mobile platforms as a powerful customer acquisition, customer connection, and marketing channel. We have onboarded so far 1500 plus merchants onto our platform. I would like to start with during the pre-sales or sales or even during the deployment process, we come across a lot of questions like, shall I do e-commerce or not? Is it the right time? How costly it is? What is the difference between multi-channel retailing and a normal retailing? Can I afford it? Can you explain how? When we started in 2007, the one classical problem used to happen with us when our people used to go to the retailers' places. So being a software product, it is generally getting referred to the IT people, but it's a marketing solution, right? So there was always a confusion in the mind of the retailer that who is going to take the decision on this software. Okay, and the things asked like, there was a competition, like the offline and online channel at that time were cannibalizing each other. Offline people were not giving offers or the complete merchandising to the online people, and they were treating each other as a competition. And we were required to solve a lot of such problems to make sure that all the merchandise at the retailer place is finally going online and experiencing some traction. But those times were really tough when talking to the people about all those things. Overall, we see that there is one consistent fact about the retail is all about right product at right place, at right time and at right price. And retailer is a person who is always hungry for additional sales and is always looking for additional channels to engage and acquire customers. But what is changing continuously in and around us is consumer demands, technology, regulations, competitive landscape, and the customer preferences. Every retailer, even before signing up with our subscription, curiously has started asking us a lot of questions. Will my online store run on mobile? I want to post entries on my, Facebook fan page from my online store. Or can I create coupons which can be redeemed both online and offline? Okay. So, in a nutshell, everybody is directly or indirectly asking about multi-channel. Now, let's look at the Indian retail landscape. Retail has become the most, I should say, the strongest pillar of the Indian economy. It is growing steadily, moving towards the organized retail. That's why we see a lot of solution providers in the POS, ERP, billing, couponing and CRM solutions. And the second generation, which has now started taking up the retail operations, has been deploying a lot of decision support system, a lot of tools to self-evaluate themselves, improvise and improve the retail experience for their consumers. At the same time, the consumers are also becoming very smart. There is a great amount of brand consciousness in the consumer's mind. We find even our small kids asking for a lot of branded products, and they are perfectly aware about what the brand is all about, where is it available, what are the price points, and what quality the merchandise belong to. The official numbers in the growth of digital retailing are there for your consumption. So, India is almost the third largest internet economy now, and you can see the growth numbers which are coming up from various research reports, expected to be a $70 billion economy by 2020, posting a very healthy growth rate of around 61%. Now, exactly what do you mean by multi-channel retailing? So, looking at the numbers, one thing is sure that the healthy growth rate of organized retail and the e-tailing are there, and multi-channel is here to stay, to remain competitive for the retailers. Now let's look at what is the actual definition of multi-channel retail. All channels like print, internet, physical store, social presence, mobile applications, Twitter and WhatsApp are getting used by consumers to search for products and services.